I'm going to demonstrate a binomial distribution problem, which is another problem you're going to see in this week's homework and eventually on the quiz. So the problem I'm looking at is this one. A softball pitcher has 0.431 probability of throwing a strike for each pitch, slightly less than half. So throws more balls apparently than strikes. So if the softball pitcher throws 22 pitches, what is the probability that exactly 12 of them are strikes? And we'll round our answer. All right, I'm going to use Excel to solve this, and I'm going to demonstrate that on the next couple of slides. First of all, I'm going to open an Excel spreadsheet, and then I'm going to click on Formulas, More Functions, Statistical, and drop down to binom.dist. When I do that and click OK, this second screen is going to pop, this box is going to pop up, and it's going to ask me to enter the information. So the first thing it wants to know, if we're looking for 12 out of 22, it wants the number 12 first, then it wants the total number of trials, which is 22, the probability next, which is 0.0431. All of that was given in the problem. And we do not want it to be cumulative. That is, we do not want to know what is the probability that he could throw one strike or two strikes or three, whatever. We want the probability of exactly 12. So we're going to say false. Do not accumulate the probabilities in front of this one. And when I click OK, then the next slide shows us the result. In your spreadsheet, you're going to have you're going to have the probability 0.0945 showing up. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, I didn't do that right here. Okay, you're going to have the probability 0.0945 blah 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 showing up in cell A2, which is where the formula is actually sitting. I entered a text version of the formula in cell A1. Notice I put that little apostrophe in front, which means that Excel takes this as a string of text, and then it will display, it's displaying the formula that's actually embedded in cell A2. So we have, we're going to round that to 2 decimal places, so our answer should be 0.09.